My name is Kim Strong. I'm a professor of physics at the University of Toronto. I'm here at the Canadian Higher Arctic Research Station in Cambridge Bay, Nunavut, where we're installing some equipment to study the atmosphere. So I'm an atmospheric scientist, and so what I do is I measure the composition of the atmosphere. So we have a number of different spectrometers that can measure gases in the atmosphere. So we measure the concentrations of greenhouse gases, of ozone and gases involved in ozone chemistry, of pollutants, so things like gases that are in wildfire plumes that sometimes get transported up into the Arctic. And then I have colleagues in the project who are measuring aerosols and clouds, and then others who are looking at snow and soil, as well as hydrology and permafrost. So the reason we're up here is that we really want to understand what's happening in the Arctic, particularly with regard to climate change and the impacts that's having on local communities, as well as the impact of the Arctic on the rest of Canada and the world, actually. So what we want to do here is to set up this facility to do these long-term measurements. We want this to be kind of a permanent observatory where we're doing measurements kind of year-round for many years. And so we'll have baseline measurements from now, and we'll be able to kind of look at changes over time and looking at how the composition of the atmosphere is changing, how snow is changing, how permafrost is changing, and then using those measurements to also help inform models that can be used to predict change, and that can be used to help set policy, to help inform communities in their daily lives as well. So MOACC, our project, has been funded by the Canada Foundation for Innovation. And so CHARS is a very important partner in that proposal, and now that we're actually doing things. And so CHARS is really providing a lot of resources for us, obviously providing the location where we've set up our containers. So CHARS is a very important partner in enabling us to do what we're trying to do.